Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you're looking for a no-nonsense, easy-to-use laptop, then I recommend checking out this one from HP. This is a 2023 15.6-inch HP. I work from home and I'm on my computer all day long. A couple of reasons that I chose this one in particular is because it has 16 gigs of RAM and it has 512 gigabyte SSD. I also like the variety of ports that it has. It has two USBs that I use pretty frequently. This also has a USB-C port, which I am really happy about because a lot of the new charging cords and other things are just coming out with that kind of port. So it makes it easier to use. And it has an HDMI port. I do a lot of video conference calls and the microphone and webcam on this are really clear and crisp. And I really appreciate that because that means I don't have to add in an auxiliary webcam. The battery for me lasts around 5 hours, but I like the brightness to be pretty bright. So depending on your usage, it should last about 7.5 hours, but in my experience, it's lasting about 5. I use this just for basic functions, nothing fancy. I've been using this HP laptop for several months and it has met all of my needs. I think it's a great, easy to use and simple laptop, and that's my point of view.